Hello friends, what's up? I'm Ashok. Welcome in my channel. Friends, in this video, I'll tell you how to solve the English questions from the English workshop. And this lesson I choose here from the 10th class or 10th standard. And the syllabus is English medium syllabus, board syllabus. Okay, so let's we move towards our English workshop. And this workshop, I'm going to tell you the thief's story. On that, this is the workshop. So let's we move towards our today's video. Friends, before I start this video, I request you, if you are new watcher in this channel, if you are new watching me, then please subscribe this channel and share it to your all friends. Okay, let's we move towards our today's video. So here we are, and this is our today's workshop that we are going to learn. Okay, so this is the story, thief's story, and on that story here is a English workshop. Okay, let's we start this how we can solve. So first question, complete the web diagram. So here is the first question, that is complete the web diagram. It means we have to solve the web diagram. Now like this, that now I'm moving here arrow, so like this we can face this web diagram in our exam. So let's we see how we can solve this. So the first, in left side there is a one Anil's virtues, okay, in the left side, and in the right side there is a web diagram, that is Hari's voices. Okay, so then how we can solve? Look, we have to write there Anil's virtues there in the left side of the diagram, and in the right side of the diagram there we have to write Hari's voices. Okay, so how he speak and how we can see his nature. Okay, so like that all explanation in the 4 point we have to write in that diagram. Okay, so let's we see first diagram, left side Anil's virtue. So in that we have to write like the first we have to write compassionate. Okay, I solve here in my notebook. So we will have to write there compassionate in first left diagram. In first compassionate we have to write. Then in the second diagram we have to write there kind hearted. Okay, how the Anil was, as we have a scene in the story. So Anil was kind hearted man, very simple man. And then another word is forgiving in the third, forgiving. How we can say that? Because when that thief stole the money from his, so at that time he forgave to that thief, and thief's name was Hari Singh. Okay, so he forgave him, so that's why his virtues is forgive, or that we can say forgiving. Then next, the fourth point is there helpful. Okay, so he is very helpful to anyone. Okay, his nature was that. Okay, so these are the 4 points in the left side diagram. Let's we move towards the next diagram, that is in the right side, Hari's voices. So in the first diagram that we have to write, which is in left side, right diagram, left is the first, so that there we have to write robber. Robber, it means he is a thief, so that's why we have to write there robber. Then again, next, which is in the upside column, that is opportunist. Okay, opportunist. Third, right side, that is deceitful, that is deceitful. And then fourth, down column, okay, that is liar. Okay, liar. So this is the complete answer of this web diagram. Okay, you solve this also, you write it in your notebook so you can understand it very well. Then next question, here is the question, insert the appropriate word phrase given below in the sentences that follow. Okay, so here are some words and phrases, so that we have to put in the blank space. Okay, so here are A B C D E F. So these are the points, and in the blank space we have to put the words or phrase. Okay, so first A, I dash dash the school gate when I heard the school bell ring. So there we have to write the dash to. Okay, DASHED dash to. So this word we have to put into the first blank place. Then next B, after the death of my pet dog, my dash dash when dad got me a new pup. New pup, it means new dog. Okay, so here we have to put spirits rose, because when I got a new pup dog, then my spirits will be rose. So that's why we have to write there spirits rose. Okay, in the B. Okay, in the B. Then C, do not stop to dash dash just to gain something from someone. Okay, so this is the C question, and that C question's answer, uh, that is flattery. Okay, that is the flattery. So this answer is appropriate there. Then the artist completes his paintings, and there we can put by feats and starts. Okay, the artist completes his paintings by feats and starts. Then next E, the crime went dash dash for 11 years. So there we can write undetected. The crime went undetected. So put there undetected word. Then F, when the baby saw its mother, it gave an dash dash smile, appealing smile. You put their word appealing. Okay, so this is the second activity that we complete. Okay, you write down all these activities in your notebook. Then next, the third point, we can say the third activity. Third activity is in 2, A and B. So find from the text the collection for the following. Now we have to find some words for collection, and new words, so many new words are come in the textbook. So let's we guess how we can write there. The first, there is a word dash dash and dog. Okay, so how we can write there, and what we can write there? So we have to write there stray dog, stray, stray dog, and this word came in our story, we learned before that. Okay, next is man. So we have to write there careless man. Okay, careless man. Then third, ticket, it means we have to write there ticket office. Okay, ticket office. Okay, let's we move. Fourth, there we have to write walked slowly. So when that thief stole the money, so at that time he was walking slowly on the road. So that's why you put there walked slowly, this word walked. Okay, then fifth is drizzle. So at that time when he stole the money, and after he left the train, he came there into the bazaar or into the maidan, and at that time he feel, what he feel, something sad. So at that time the light was drizzle, so you put their word light. Okay, light. Then 6, sentences. So the sentences, before we have to use whole sentences, WHOLE, whole sentences. Then seventh, dash dash spirits. So we have to write there my spirits rose. Okay, so there is incomplete word, but we can write that my spirits rose. Okay, so this word we can put there. Now next is B, activity B, in 3 point. Complete the compound words from the story. So we have to complete these compound words from our story. So first compound word is oil. So what we can write there? Oil. So we can write oil rich. Okay, this is the compound word, oil rich. Then second is 50. So what we can write there? 50 rupee. Okay, 50 rupee. This is the compound 50 rupee. Then third, easy. Easy going. We have to write there easy going. Then fourth we have to write there clock tower. Okay, clock tower. Then fifth, moonlight. We have to write there moonlight. So this is the B activity. Then C activity. Look, put out from the story 3 or 4 examples of code mixing Indian words used in English. Now we have to write there or put words which is came from the Indian words in this story. Okay, so this story is an Indian author, so definitely some words are there. And what are the words? The first word is Maidan. Okay, Maidan, this is the Indian word, and that we can say it is the code mixing word. Okay, so Maidan, this word is Indian word, the first word Maidan. Then next is Paijama. Okay, Paijama, it is the second word that is from the India. And then third word is a bazaar or bazar. Okay, so this third word is come from the Indian dictionary or Indian language. Okay, so these are the 3 words. Another one word you find out from the textbook. Okay, then fourth activity, read the story carefully and complete the table. So here is the first column, table number of characters. So there are 2 characters. Okay, there are 2 characters. Names, what are the names? One is the Hari and another one is the Anil. Then age, Anil's age is 25 and Hari's age is 15. Then physical appearance is what? Anil Anil was tall and lean person, and Hari was a thin person. Then earn money by, so Anil was earning money by uh, writing, and Hari means thief was earning money by robbery. Okay, then qualities. So Anil has quality the kind, simple man, lean man. This is his quality, and the Hari's quality is grateful, eager to learn, and sharp, opportunist. So these are the qualities of Hari Singh, who is the thief, who was the thief. Sorry. Okay, so next on page fifth activity, and the activity is complete the given sentences. So we have to complete the sentences. Okay, there are some blank pages and I solve here also. Let me see. First is Anil kept Hari as a cook because, why he kept there? Because he want one cooker there, and he want to teach him write and read and give some money. Okay, so this is the first answer. Then next one is, another one is, Hari was grateful. Why Hari was grateful? Because teaching his means learning his name and cooking there. Okay, so that's why he was grateful. Then Hari continued making money by making profits while he was shopping. Okay, so he was continued making the money by shopping while he was shopping there. Okay, then Anil didn't hand Hari over to the police. Why? Because he believed that uh, trust can change to anyone. Okay, belief can change to anyone. So this was the aim, that Anil didn't hand over him to the police. Then the moral of the story is, what the moral is, just I before told you, what the trust and belief can change to anyone. Okay, so this is the moral of this story. And the next activity, sixth activity, is think and write in your own words in your notebook. So this activity is for you and you solve it. Okay, if I solve it, then it is by my mind. Okay, so you solve it, think and write in your own words. In your own words means not in Hindi or in Marathi. In your own word means what you know the language, how your structure is. In that structure you write the answer. Then here is again the seventh, Write character sketch of Hari Singh with the help of the following points using the paragraph format. So use this format and write or sketch the character of Hari Singh. Sketch the character means don't draw his character on the drawing page. Okay, sketch the character, it means you tell everything which is given in the paragraph. According to the paragraph, you write the features or write the information about the Hari Singh. Okay, the first is Hari Singh's background. You write the background of Hari Singh. What was the background of Hari Singh? That we know he was a thief, and police and former employers were founding him. Okay, so it was his background. Then his dishonest, how he was dishonest about what? Then he was stealing the money from the Anil and others. So you write there. Then his aspirations, his courage to change himself. So these points you mention in your notebook and write the correct answer. Then 8. Frame WH questions to get the answers underlined below. Change the first person pronouns to the second person where necessary. Now here are some questions, means there are some sentences, and those underlined words that we have to change into the question sentences. How? Look, I hurried back to the room. How I come to the room? Okay, how I come to the room? In hurried. So we have to put these sentences into like into the question mark. How we can make them? Let's see. Where did you hurry back? Where did you hurry back? Where? To the room. Okay, I had made a study of men's faces. Okay, what you studied? Okay, what you studied? Men's faces. Then I draw them out without a sound. I draw them out without a sound. Then how did you draw? How did you draw? It is without a sound. Okay, then the poor man showed acceptance. What showed? Acceptance. Okay, okay, so it means who showed the acceptance? Who showed the acceptance? The poor people. Okay, I made tea in the morning. Okay, what he made? What he made in the morning? He made a tea. But if we want to change this into, then we can change like this. When did you made tea? In the morning. Okay, when you did made tea? In the morning. So these were the answers of these questions. Now the activity 9, it is reduced from your syllabus, so we have not to learn this. It's not in our syllabus. So complete all these in your notebook and check out from your teachers. So we'll stop here. If you understand this, then I hope I clear my topic here well. Okay, I'll stop here.